bops through the cha-cha, pitter-patter beats, nature's hip-hop opera. Tea kettle whistling, steam fogs the lens. Mind on cruise, thoughts drifting, sands ends. Sweatshirt snug, warmth like a bear hug. Drizzle on the shingles, rooftop jazz club. Books on the shelf, stories whisper slow. Page turns symphony, imaginations flow. Raindrops playing symphony tunes. Clouds caressing, hiding the moons. Sipping hot brews, vibes feel so right. Cozy in the thunder, lightning sparks the night. Puddle jumping memories, childlike glee. Nature's lullaby, gentle guarantee. No rush, no race, time's laying low. Inner peace serve, just ride the flow. Mug clangs gently, echoes round the room. Candles flicker shadows, lazy days gloom. Pen sketching dreams on paper.